Hi everybody, this is Diana from SyS y Salado, and today we're going to make a delicious cheesy garlic bread that you can make with either Parmesan cheese or mozzarella. Either one makes this recipe amazing. And remember that the link for this recipe can be found in the info box below the video. So to make that delicious garlicky butter, we're going to use room temperature unsalted butter. And we're also going to add lots of garlic. I'm using fresh garlic, but you can also use garlic powder if that's all you have. Then we're going to add fresh parsley, a little bit of olive oil, lots and lots of fresh Parmesan cheese, and a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. And now all we have to do is stir this really well, and once everything's well mixed, we're going to set this aside. For this recipe, I'm using 2 small loaves of French bread. You can also use Italian bread if that's what you like. And we're going to cut them into slices using a serrated knife. The thickness of the slices really depends on how thin and how thick you want them. And the one thing we're going to do is we're going to stop right before we hit the bottom. We're not going to cut it all the way through. And this is going to help the bread hold that butter mixture better while it's baking in the oven. And now all we have to do is just spread the butter in between the slices, and you can add as much or as little as you want. Now we're going to cover the loaf of bread with aluminum foil. We're not going to cover it completely. We're going to leave the top uncovered. Then we're going to place it on a baking sheet, and then we're going to bake it at 425 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the top gets nice and golden brown and all the butter has melted. And once it's ready, we're just going to uncover it and serve. And that's your recipe for making a delicious cheesy garlic bread. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel so you can be up to date with all the new videos that I upload in the future. Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye, and buen provecho.